this song by Lohum called Alone. That's how I hear the rhythm. You can play arpeggios. Getting some pinch harmonics there. But the whole verse is just that one chord, F sharp major. So you gotta, think of a part to fill in. You can't just go. It's just not interesting enough. So you gotta try to incorporate the drums and also I always think about how could I sing this, right? Because anyways, after you get through with the verse, it goes Alright, so that chorus is D sharp minor. This one's a minor. And then C sharp is a major. That's the 5 chord. B is the 4 chord. And then it goes. This is the 6 chord, minor 6. 5. And if you wanted to play some lead guitar, I'm playing the E flat minor position here at the 11th. And that'll give you F sharp major. Okay, thanks for that request. It's a cool song. Thanks for watching. Bye.